So here we are, surgery's over. Feeling pretty good. Pain is mild. I can show you my surgery site. Down there, you can see the bandage, and everything should be pretty good. Excellent doctor, Dr. Faisal Siddiqui. If you're in this area, I highly recommend him. I'm out of recovery. I don't know where I am right now. Probably in the waiting to go home. I'm gonna take a preventative painkillers in a few minutes. My wife, lovely wife Maria, is here to support me and take me home.
Yeah.
And surgeon just stopped in, said hello. Everything went well, and looking forward to going home, resting, and getting through the recovery process, which hopefully won't be too long. And we'll update you more when we get back, but all went well, and talk to you soon. And this is an excellent hospital, Huntington Hospital in Huntington, New York, and a wonderful staff. Everyone has a great bedside manner, very polite and friendly, and very professional. Thank you. Happy Ash Wednesday. God bless you, Mamita. Thank you. So how do you feel?
Oh, I'm fine.
You went to the chapel?
No, the priest came to me.
Oh, no kidding. That's nice. Well, this is what the place looks like. Very clean and modern. And how do I look? Well, I don't have my fancy hat on anymore, but I feel pretty good. And so surgery was at 7:30. Check-in was at 7:30. Surgery started at 9. What time is it now? 10
It's
something?
like 10:45.
So that went pretty quick. And surgeon said the hernia was from a tear. I don't know how I got that. Probably, like I said, from lifting all that stuff. But anyway, I don't want to get other patients involved here. So we're going to sign off now. And we'll follow up with you on the home recovery. Take care. Okay, we're on our way home. Goodbye, Huntington Hospital. Nice knowing you. Hopefully we don't have to see you any more times again. But my mom is driving me home, took good care of me, and I'm feeling go straight all the way. Don't turn here. And not feeling any pain. I did take a pain med in the post-op area where they prep you to go home, and went to the bathroom twice, urinating, and that went fine. And got my post-op instructions and feeling pretty good right now. Doctor says it was a severe hernia with a tear, so was not born with this hernia. You can make a left over here.
Move into that turn.
Yes, left turn. So we'll follow up with the doc in a week, and rest today, and maybe I'll be able to take a shower tomorrow. Remove the dressing, and slowly things will fall back into place. But it's important not to lift anything for an extended period of time, and no gym for 3 weeks. But slowly, they don't want you to be bedbound. They want you to get up every couple hours and walk a little bit.
Every couple of hours.
And that's what I intend to do. So we'll check in with you on the way home, when we get home, from time to time, and I'll let you know how things are going. All right. But the procedure went well. Had the best sleep of my life. And Mamita was there all the way. Thank you.
Yeah. Every second.
Okay, we're home. Gonna prepare my first meal, my liquid lunch. Organic protein, which I showed you earlier. I got a nice ice pack from the hospital. Mamita's preparing for me, keeping it cold. And I got some nice jewelry. You like? Yeah, it's definitely in the vogue right now. But let me go make my lunch, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we can give it a try and see what it tastes like. So I don't want the vanilla. I want the chocolate first.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Vanilla.
I opened the wrong one.
Vanilla will be on the second round. So right now, I took a pain pet med at the hospital, and feeling a little loopy, but not too bad. Oh, you're supposed to cut that.
Yeah, just a jar.
Is this thing still recording?
I don't know.
Alright, 2 scoops of this. And let's see what she looks like. Of course, it's sealed again. Ooh, definitely feeling loopy. Well, at least I got outside for a little bit. Got the dog to go do her number 2. Leave it right there. And the scooper's in there. Okay. So 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 2 is the dosage for lunch, each meal. You just fill that up with some water. By the way, this NutriBullet is a very good tool. I love it. It does a great job. I process a lot of fruit and vegetable smoothies in there, juicing. Not a juicing. Now let's see how this lunch tastes.
See if you can do that for 10 days.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, give this a try here. Not bad. You can definitely taste this is a little tart, even though it has chocolate in it. It's definitely plant-based. You can taste some of that in this. Unless it's the anesthesia on my palate, but it's not like, it's definitely not like a Slim Fast shake, which has a lot of sugar in it. This, you could definitely have flavor from some of the vegetable ingredients that are in here. But because it's with water and you run it through that NutriBullet, it does build a little bit of body, and I think it definitely will be filling. All right, so that was lunch. Now I'm heading to bed for a little while and relax myself up there. We'll talk and check in later.